Whether you are a digital content creator or an aspiring digital content creator, you're going to want to keep watching this video because we have an opportunity for you to not only win an awesome Sony vlogging kit that comes with a kick-ass camera, but also have your art showcased in front of some of the top content creators in the world and the team at Sony themselves. So keep watching. Hey everyone, I'm Kristen.
And I'm Sia.
And we have been digital content creators for 15 years or something.
Yeah.
And we have been using Sony cameras since the beginning of it all, since we were back in college.
We're very grateful to partner with them on a very cool opportunity for you guys watching. Last year, we were judges for the Sony Vlog Challenge, where you, creators, got to make a video on a specific theme. You entered the contest, and then you could win the new Sony ZV-E10. This year, they're doing it again with a new theme, and they've asked us to be judges again. So we're super thankful to partner with Sony on this. All you have to do is create a video for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. It can be horizontal or vertical. And the theme is Power of Good.
I love the theme for this vlog challenge.
We're not looking for the most cinematic video out there. We're not looking for perfect lighting. But we are looking for a really great story. And it doesn't have to be filmed on a Sony. You can film it on your smartphone, you can film it on like a camera that you have lying around. But if you win, you will win a Sony camera. I want to talk more about the theme, but first, let's get into the prize. Last year, Sony announced the new ZV-E10, which has basically all the features modern day creators want in a video camera. It has a 3-inch flip screen, interchangeable lenses, directional 3-capsule mic and windscreen, shoots in 4K 30, 1080p in 120 frames per second, has a 24 megapixel sensor, headphone and mic ports, and a ton of more features.
It's lightweight, it's user-friendly, and it can fit in the palm of your hand.
There won't be just 1 or 2 or 3, but there'll be 4 top winners. Each winner will receive the ultimate vlogging kit, which includes a ZV-E10, of course, with a 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens, a Sony wireless shooting grip, and a 128 gigabyte memory card.
That's so sweet.
That's really sweet.
So sweet.
The power of good. Small acts of kindness can have a big impact. Show us how one good action can create a ripple effect that touches many people's lives. Maybe you helped a neighbor who is moving. Maybe you helped your community by spending some time cleaning up a local park. Or perhaps you tried living zero waste or became vegan for a day. Whatever it is, vlog it and tell your story to show how one act of good can create a positive impact.
Freaking love it. I love this.
It's so great. It's so great. Take the Sony Vlog Challenge and share the power of good. We love this theme so much that we actually want to create our own video, and it's not entered in the contest, but we just wanted to do something for this theme. So I think we should get to our video.
Here it is. So many of my childhood memories are of me playing in playgrounds with my friends. It's where our imagination really came to life. Where the playground would be a castle, or a house, or a restaurant. Where we play Marco Polo, hide and go seek, and spin on the swings so much until we were so dizzy that we'd fall over the place.
And if you think about all the playgrounds around the world, what they have in common is they all sound the same. Just happy kids playing. Like, think about this sound. Can you tell what country this is in? Bet you can't.
We want to donate a playground to a school here in Costa Rica that doesn't have one. So we've collected donations from you guys, our viewers and our readers on our blog, as well as put in our own money. And we're gonna call our contacts now here in Costa Rica and see if we can make this happen. Hey guys. Hola amiga, ¿cómo estás? Yeah, so, you know, the message I sent to you that we want to try to find a school here that doesn't have a playground. Yeah, and Leo said that his mom, yes. Yeah? Oh, that's awesome. In Monteverde, okay. And they don't have anything like this. That's awesome. That's perfect. That's exactly what we were hoping. Okay. Do you know when it can be like all installed? It can be done? Oh, wow. So I'm just gonna tell Sia. So there's a local like a carpenter who said that he wants to be part of this. He loves what we're doing, so he's actually going to do it cheaper and build the playground. Awesome. This is so good. Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye. That's awesome.
Amazing.
So good.
Yes.
I love that like community also wants to be involved, right?
Yeah.
They want to help out.
Nice. It's happening. It's happening. Yeah.
A few years ago, we donated a playground to a school in Guatemala where the kids had never even played in a playground before in their lives. And it was one of the most, I'm getting goosebumps right now. It was one of the most beautiful things ever. It's such a beautiful gift to give to kids, just the freedom of play, no worries, just laughter and fun. And this experience came to us because, I mean, hopscotch, the globe, hopscotch means to play. It's that game that kids know all around the world, and that's where the idea stemmed from, to play, giving opportunity for kids to play and not have to worry about other things in life that maybe they have to. So going to communities where things like playgrounds don't exist, and we want to continue doing this around the world, bringing playgrounds to communities that need them. So that's why we want to do it again here in Costa Rica.
Looks like I just got some photo updates of the playground. Oh, it looks so good. Wow. It's so special to do this. It's like the most fulfilling thing to do this. Wow. I love it. I have goosebumps. It was important for us to buy the playground here in Costa Rica, not like buy it overseas or online and then ship it here. We wanted to support a local business here, and everything was local. So it looks like people went and installed it, and there was even some extra money, so the teachers used that money to buy board games for the kids so that on rainy days when they can't play outside, they can still have fun and play indoors. I love that. I love that. Like, the whole budget was used, and they even sent us receipts of everything to make sure that we knew that they used the whole budget. They're such beautiful people and so honest, and it's such like a blessing to be able to support them this way. We hope you guys enjoyed our little contribution to this theme, Power of Good.
And hopefully it inspires you to go out there and act on your own power of good and film it so we can see it, enter this contest, and I cannot wait to see all of your entries.
Yeah, check the description box because there's a link and there's more details for the contest. But good luck everyone, and I look forward to seeing your videos.
I think it's gonna rain. It's rainy season in Costa Rica, so yeah, we're out.